Do you want to look stunning in outfits at weddings? Then you should try these amazing unique outfits made from saris. So let's get started. My name is Dishanti Patel and welcome back to our channel. So the first one I will be trying is this outfit. So this is my favorite outfit among all of the ones, and I like this because it is really unique and it also fits perfectly with nowadays jeans and yeah, that's it. It's so beautiful. Let me put it in. Tada! So I did an Indo-Maharashtrian look. So you can see here, this dress is so much good. It's so unique. That is why I like it the most. So there are some features that makes this dress more unique. First one is the leaf cut here, and then we have a split in between that makes it more enhancing. And then we also choose an attractive material. Here we used zip in at this side instead of using it at the back because it does not look good when the zip is at the back of the saree for the top portion. And now I will show you my pants. So these pants are normal ones, like used border at the bottom. I used Maharashtrian jewelry to enhance this outfit, but you can use other jewelry too, but I like the Maharashtrian jewelry the best with this. So you can do it how you want. Let's see the next dress. So this is my second outfit. My mother made it from an old saree for me and my sister. So actually this one is a kaftan and it's actually a common one. I am showing this to you because my mother made twinning outfits for me and my sister. So that's why this is also a special outfit from my wardrobe. All outfits from saree wardrobe. I have took South Indian look, as you can see. So this is a chanya choli my maushi stitched for me and my sister. This outfit is also made for my sister. We did twinning in this outfit. So the skirt is made with the remaining portion of the saree, and the blouse or the top is made with the pallu portion of the saree. And then we have the dupatta, which is made with net flap. Now let's see our fourth outfit. So this is my fourth outfit. So we told our local tailor to make this beautiful gown out of an old Nawari saree for me and my sister. So you can see that how beautifully it is made, and it is also very flary. At first, actually, it was a normal gown. We used golden belt to enhance the look of the dress. We also made a jacket out of the pallu of the saree. So let me just wear it and show you that how it enhances the look of the dress. So this is how it looks. I literally liked it so much. This jacket is perfectly stitched. It is like so much stylish and fits me perfectly and makes the dress more unique. This jacket actually is made by Jyoti Aunty. So she also has a channel called Manika Creations. You can go and check if you want to know about fashion more. She posts videos. So this is my fifth outfit. So it is made from an old work saree and it looks so much beautiful. It's flary and it gives you a perfect western gown look. This, you can see it's one off shoulder. I loved it so much. You can style it with bracelets, and mainly this dress looks good with pearls, pearl jewelry. That's why you should go with pearl jewelry. My each and every dress is unique in color, and which dress you like the most, comment down below. Bye bye. See you in the next video and have a nice day ahead.